There's three kinds sa life natin. The first is sacrifice. The second is success. And most people, nasa success lang. The third is what we call significance. In short, contribution. I've been doing this for the past almost 2 decades already. And this time around, we want to give it all to you. Do you understand? Next slide. What if you can master these skills and become a professional anytime, anywhere? Uy, okay na ba kayo? Okay lang ba kayo? What if? Life is iffy daw, sabi ni Jim Ran, di ba? What if you have all the tools you need to create unlimited cash flow in PLC? Next slide. What if you can expand your PLC organization worldwide without any language barriers? I went to Africa so many times. Ang lagi ko lang nakakausap doon, 3,000 people umattend sa mga presentations and events namin. Pero ang lagi ko nakakausap doon, yung pinakataas lang nila. You know why? They can talk English. French-speaking country, lahat sila. Do you understand? How can you imagine, you're here in the Philippines, and then Africa, Middle East, Spanish, French, Mandarin, no language barriers. Para mahina yung palakpak ninyo. Malakas na yung audio, sir, ha? Next! What if... Kayo na lang magbasa. Laksan nyo! Gusto nyo? Gusto nyo? Di ko next to. Gusto nyo? Gusto ko excited? Gusto nyo ba? Alright. Next slide. Please play. Let me introduce to you our PLC Training Hub. Next slide. Paki-play. Pa-volume, Test mic. Test mic. Test mic. Test mic. I'm proud to introduce to you Premier Lifestyle, our PLC Training Hub. Alright, so next tayo. Next. Alright, this is what you can get in our PLC Training Hub. Listen very carefully. Next slide. You will have your own website and dashboard. Each one of us. Alright? Let me show you inside. Okay, next slide tayo. Okay ba kayo? Yes! Okay, play natin. Yan. Alright. All you have to do, of course, sige, play. Ayan. Go ka sa Google, or whatever it is, www.plchubonline.com. You can actually search it now. Alright? Yan. Ito po yung ating website. Alright? It's mobile friendly later. Sige. Ayos ba? Pinapalakpakan yan tuloy-tuloy. Ano ba? Okay, slide natin yan. We have the vision, mission. You can actually search it. Alright? Ayos ba? Later, paliwanag ko lahat yan. Imagine all of our partners worldwide will have this platform. Pag login mo, ayan po.
Welcome to the Premier Lifestyle Club Hub Online. We are excited to have you embark on this journey with us. This platform is designed to guide you through all the features, tools, and resources available within the Premier Lifestyle Club Hub Online, so you can make the most of our partnership. Throughout this platform, you will learn how to navigate the hub, access exclusive services, connect with fellow partners, series of trainings and live podcasts, and take full advantage of the premium experience we offer. Whether you are new or looking to refresh your knowledge, we are here to support you every step of the way. Thank you for being part of the Premier Lifestyle Club. We can't wait to help you unlock the full potential of our partnership and experience unlimited cash flow the Premier way.
Alright. Click natin continue. Yan, may mouse ako dito. Ayan. Alright, so we have dashboard, referrals, later paliwanag yung increase, live podcast weekly, profile, downloads all the files you need. You have your own personal URL. Meron pa siyang isa pa dyan, di pa nalagay pa dyan actually. Later, sarili mo po yan. Sample, Warren. Kung anong pangalan mo, nandyan yan, sa'yo yan. Lahat na mag-i-inquire dyan, pasok sa dashboard mo. Uy, ayaw nyo? Gusto ayaw? We have 4 courses. We have the novice, we have the rookies, we have the trailblazers, and we have what we call the pro. Alright? Ayan. Nakita niyo, ito yung quiz. Pag may nag-inquire, dyan papasok. Later, paliwanag ko pa yan. Gusto niyo malaman ang loob mismo ng mga ano natin? Yeah! Gusto niyo? Okay. Imagine, you don't have to go to the office. But of course, if you're at the office, that's good. But anywhere, anytime, pwedeng matuto lahat ng partners natin worldwide. Do you have partners right now international? Yeah! Nationwide? Yeah! These are the courses. All right? Pogi ng skill number 4, oh. Ayan. Lupit ba? Yes! Windang ba kayo? Ito, sige, tuloy lang. Rookies, industries, etc. Ayan. Kung mapapansin, nakalak yan. Hindi mo mapapanood yung next video unless hindi mo siya matatapos. Hindi mo rin siya mapo-forward. Isa, may iba madadaya eh. Hindi, akala mo iniisip na namin yan. Hindi mo mapo-forward. Eto malupit. Hindi ka makikinig? Namamalansya ka? O anong ginagawa mo? May question yan after. Let's click the finding partners. Skill number 1. Pogi nito.
Congratulations! In any profession, we need to learn some skills. But before we get into those skills, let me give you some good news. The good news is, these skills are extremely learnable. And as mentioned from the previous video, there are only 7 fundamental skills that you need to learn in order for you to have massive results in this business. Each one is very basic, not rocket science, but you'd be happy to know that these are the highest paid skill sets in the world. So let's talk about the
Patikim. Patikim. Ayan yung pogi, oh. Si Piolo Pascual ng PLC yan. Mas gwapo, tol. Mas gwapo.
Hello everyone, how are you all doing? So how's everything going? By the way, this is ESP Jojo Sugaran, and I'm excited to talk to you about skill number 4, follow-up 101. In this industry, they say that the fortune is in the follow-up. I think that's true, because most people in our industry don't follow up at all. If there are any, I think they're still at the amateur level. Only very few professionals actually do this skill. So, if you really want to be successful in our field, you have to decide to go pro. The professional way, the premier way. ESP Warren discussed how to professionally invite your client to check out what PLC is offering. After appreciating the beauty of our partnership, don't rush to close the deal right away until you've learned the skill first. This topic will answer.
Ano, okay, okay pa kaya? Alright, so novice, ayan po lahat yan, dami yan. Alright, lahat ng kailangan, paulit-ulit. Okay, ano yan, mamaster nyo yan. Yung mga mapapakinggan nyo yan, hindi nyo napakinggan yan ever since sa traditional way. Yes! Yes! Inquiries, ito, meron pa isa, add item. Meron akong kliyente, naturuan kayo ng finding clients. Ako, ginawa ko, si Roy Estrella, kliyente, target client ko or prospect. Nilagay ko number niya. Alright? Anong ginawa ko? Siyempre, hindi pa siya napresentahan. Nilagay ko lang. Client listing. My new friend. Friend, gathering of friends, collecting friends. Add item. In-add na naman ako item. You don't have to go anywhere. Sa PLC pa lang, nandiyan na yung opisina mo. Kinsey Avila. Nilagay ko number niyan. O, number 0928, Done presentation. Lagay ko yes or no, Y or N. O, Y, yes. Presentahan ko siya 2 days ago, January 24. Status, malalaman niyo po yan sa follow-up. 6, follow-up pa, di pa siya nag-sign up. Exposures pa yan. Add item. Next, ito, malupit to. Darwin Buhong Galing. Ayan. And number. Sample. Presentation. Napresenta ako, yes. Kailan ko siya napresentahan? Kanina lang. Status? Excited siya eh. 10. Program kaso platinum. Joke lang. VIP po yan, VIP. Walang pangalan po natin. Cash. Kailan siya nag-sign up? Okay, kanina. Sample lang to, ayan. Save. Boom! Pasok ka agad dyan. Galing ba? Palakpakan niyo naman po yan. You know what? You can even monitor your partner's growth because of this one. You have dashboards, referrals, inquiries, live podcast. Ang live podcast po, lahat yan, nandyan na po siya. Pag-click nyo po yan, nandyan na yan. Downloads, podcast even live natin gagawin. Alright? Store, frequently asked question, survey form, and personal URL. And actually, meron pa yung katabi. Yung katabi po ko niyan, di pa nadagdag. Ngayon araw pa lang actually. Meron siyang link. Ang tawag po doon, replicated link. 2 replicated links. First is Philippine peso, second is US dollars. So, pag naturuan namin kayo paano sa skills na yon, di mo na kailangan mag-present. Nandun na siya. Hello? Yung kinabukasan pagising, I just watched it actually. I want to send my sign up na I want to get titanium. Okay, next tayo. Number 2. Ready na ba kayo? You can send, ito na sinabi ko kanina, you can send a presentation link in any language using your replicated link and all inquiries will be reflected on your dashboard. Ready pa? Parang hindi pa kayo excited. Excited na ba kayo? Alright, number 3. At least ito. Makinig kayo mabuti. There are no language barriers in presentation, training videos, courses, podcasts, and more. You can switch language anytime. So, ibig sabihin, pag marunong ka mag-Spanish at nagsawa ka na sa English namin, pwedeng Spanish mo pakinggan yung presentation natin, yung training natin. Gusto na sample? Play natin yan. Play natin yan para mas, sige, play. Salit.
Welcome to the Premier Lifestyle Club Hub Online. We are excited to have you embark on this journey with us. Sa platform, así que puedes aprovechar al máximo nuestra asociación.
Kala mo, money heist na. Arigato! Hirap na ako mag-Tagalog, pasensya na. Ang hirap mag-Tagalog. Before, you know what? Before, tumatayo balahibo ko. Na-monopolize po namin ng aking organization ang Africa. Pag sinabing Africa, kay Warren yan. You know what? Wag kayo papalapag doon. Malungkot pala talaga mag-isa. Mas maganda, lahat tayo sama-sama isang club. Diba? Sabi mo Africa. Grabe. Next slide. Ayos ba yan? You can now master the skills anytime, anywhere. Next slide. Number 5, you can now leverage your potential, ensuring that your partners are thoroughly trained in the skills needed to build a massive PLC organization that generates unlimited cash flow and be a PLC professional. 3 days ago, di pa namin ito tapos, meron akong pinatry nito. Alright? Outside our country. Next slide. Next slide po. Thank you. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin survey. Ayan. Cannot play media. Tech. Pasuyo. Alright? 3 days ago po, meron kaming sa mga ESPs, meron kaming 7 na pwede try po dito. Later mag-share sila. Alright? Sabi ko, give critics, kasi tayo, we are actually open in critics. We are not afraid with critics. Understand? Hello? Yes. Professionals are not afraid with that. In fact, critics is okay. Okay, go. Back.
Hello everyone, this is your PLC business partner from the United Kingdom, Mr. Victorino Carrillo. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our dynamic and energetic PLC founder, Warren Trinidad, and his ESP team for sharing their expertise as an entrepreneur business partners. Our PLC founder and his team has put in a lot of effort to make this PLC Hub presentation professional and engaging. As you begin to explore the platform, we hope you feel as excited and motivated as we do. We are confident that this journey will be filled with learning, sharing, and growth. And we are grateful to have you all with us. Let's continue to work together and spread the word about this amazing opportunity to help change the lives of others. Thank you once again for being a part of this club. We wish you all the best and look forward to seeing you at the top. May God bless us all on this journey. See you in London in the future.
My name is Barney Natalia.
We will, survey.
From Cincinnati, Ohio. I just want to thank you for giving me an opportunity to experience the Premier Lifestyle Training Hub. Today, I'm so excited. I've always been a proponent of learning tools. I have prayed for this platform for almost a decade. Before I joined Premier Lifestyle, I worked for the largest educators union in the United States. Part of my job is to conduct workshop and training in building leaders. The thing is, at 53, I was granted an internship for about 11 months, and they invested over $100,000 for me to complete the program. With that said, yes, my expectation is high when it comes to training. I also took Salesforce training in CRM management. It's the same company who built Amazon. So in 2016, at a premier sales rally in Las Vegas, I told myself, I'm ready to retire and do this 100%. I'm convinced that my wait is over after experiencing this platform today. Watching these fine and good-looking executive partners deliver top-notch training to develop our skills and transform us into professional cash flow generators. To our PLC partners who want to invest their time and resources to achieve excellence, this platform is the answer. You do not hesitate. Go through the process and you will find success. Earning residual income while you sleep is guaranteed if you work it. This platform offers everything you need to succeed. All you need to do is make up your mind right now to grab this offer. An old mentor used to tell me, when your passion and your skills collide, you will never feel like working. So why don't you join these fine men and women as they continue to change the industry, not only in the Philippines, but globally.
Asynchronous learning platform, the PLC Training Hub. Learning is only a click away, whenever and wherever we are. Thanks for sharing your talents and skills to those who desire to build their cash flow without adding too much to what they're already doing. Because of your contributions, being a PLC builder on a global scale looks more promising than ever. Once again, thank you so much. Also, when someone shows you a platform of this nature to do business in more than 30 countries, across 4 continents, to make as much as you want, with no boundaries, and you say no, I should be breaking ties with you.
Binembang kayo. Palapa naman po natin sila. Alright? Sila po, binigyan ko ng ganyan. Kasi bakit? Sila po, nasa training field talaga sila. And they saw how, bigay sila ng mga listahan na i-improve namin. And you know what? Palakpakan naman po natin. Grabe, no? Next slide. You can access weekly and monthly live podcast and trainings. Next, number 7, you can learn firsthand from our $1 million earner PLC professionals gaining valuable insights and tactics on how to build your first million cash flow with PLC. Gusto nyo? Yeah. Sige nyo. You know what? Reader kasi ako ng libro eh. May isa kong mentor sabi sa akin, Warren, do you know how to save time to become successful? Tanungin nyo ako paano. Pag may magbibigay sa'yo ng manual kung paano sila nag-succeed. Simple. Basa ka libro, 5 years, masisave mo. Kasi bakit? Instead of trial and error, you can do it perfectly. Do you understand what I'm saying? Yes. Imagine me, 20 years na sa industriya, Coach Jojo, and the rest. Hello? Hi. All for you. Number 8. You can download valuable tools, including skill number 2, appointment setting scripts. Memory jogger for skill number 1, closing the deal script skill, exposure videos, and more. O, pinapalakpakan po yan. O, next, number 9. It is mobile and desktop friendly. And lastly, number 10. you are now on your way to become a professional in PLC. So all of this, so next slide, all of this, magkano? Sabi ba? May bayad! Of course. Of course. Of course. If I will sell this actually, di lang 100,000 apply. Million yan. Understand? Hello? Million yan. Gusto nyo magkalaman magkano? Yes! Sa tingin nyo magkano? Hindi, kayo, sabihin nyo magkano? Magkano? Para kayo nasa tindahan lang, ha? Magkano? Sige, sige. Bigyan nyo ako ng ano. Uy, si sir, apply. Sa tingin mo magkano? Lahat ng nakita nyo kanina, magkano sa tingin nyo? Magkano? Idea lang. 100? Grabe naman kayo. Masyadong maliit ng tingin nyo sa akin, ha? 1M? Willing magbayad si ma'am ng 1M, oh. Siya malaman magkano? Next slide. Higher, lower? Higher, lower? Ako higher. Para sa'yo, lower! Grabe naman kayo. Sige na nga. Uy, tama na! Alright, you can experience this PLC Training Hub for only... Palakpakan nyo naman po! But, that's one course, that's novice. Para ka lang nag-maintain ng products natin. Understand? Bumili kayo ng 62.5 NUC. Alright? But that's novice. Alright? But I will encourage you guys, go for rookies. Alright? Ang rookies po, next slide, is 4,500. Mas malupit yan. Alright? 2.5 plus 4.5, magkano? Magkano? Biglang nag-1.5. 1.5 lang. Magkano? 7,000 pesos. But then again, for this day, it's only 6,300 lang po. Can get it. Pwedeng novice. Pero pag nag-novice po kasi kayo 2.5, next purchase nyo, gusto mo biglang ay, gusto ko na mag-rookies. Edi 4.5 siya. So 7,000 na siyang discount. So 634 siya for 10%. Understand? Yes. Hello? Kung ayaw nyo, bahala kayo. Kung gusto nyo, ay mas maganda para magtulungan tayo. Alam mo, napakamura po niya. Sobra. Napakamura niya. Palakpakan naman po natin. I would like to call some individuals.